way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have more crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money, she break hearts real fast.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Hurela Hair. I've done a collaboration with them before. I'm gonna link that video in the description box for you guys if you want to check it out. This wig is absolutely stunning. Let's jump into the details about this unit. This is a 13x4 straight wig. This is obviously in the beautiful 99J color. This wig is just gorgeous.
It's like when I swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding cover, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show me the color where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you rip it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? And you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never could it bite, but somehow you make me change.
did a review with them already, and that was like a highlight curly wig, and it was beautiful. I loved that wig. I still have that wig, and yeah, I'm obsessed with it. I wear it often. And now today we have a 99J 13x4 26-inch straight wig, and this wig is absolutely stunning. I forget what density it is. I should double check. If I can find out, I'll leave that somewhere here. When I got the wig, I noticed like the knots were pretty obvious on the unit, and that's very common with like these 99J wigs or colored wigs. The knots tend to look darker, so I did bleach my knots on the unit. You could see the knots on it, so I did bleach it. When you have these like 99J wigs, the color that they use, like the permanent hair dye, is like some serious stuff. Like, we don't even get that kind of permanent quality in the hair salon. A little bit of lifting, but it was enough to make a difference for me. And the hairline was very full, you guys. When I was installing it, I did go in off camera and pluck the hairline of this unit. Yeah, it was very full, like too full along here, and it's still looking very full, but trust me, it was even more full. That, and we also plucked the part because I wanted to really show that parting space. We went in with this little razor and cleaned up the part to make it look the most natural with this middle part. I'm here for it. Like, I love this wig. It's so soft. The hair straightened so easily. So after I washed the wig and I left it to air dry, I noticed that it was drying pretty straight and like very silky. Like, a lot of times when you have wigs that, you know, are straight, it's still pretty frizzy and it needs like 2 passes with a flat iron, needs to be blow dried. Like, you guys, I didn't have to do really anything. It was just like 1 pass was good enough. This is the amount of hair that you get when you pull it. So it is a fairly decent amount of hair, but of course I feel like they could have put more hair on it. Like, if we're just being honest, like, yeah, definitely could have done that. And if you guys are clocking my top that it's like way up there, that's because if I pull it down, all my boobs are gonna show, and we're not trying to do that. So this part is actually supposed to be like down here. Let's see shedding. No shedding. And I'm really pulling on this hair, you guys. Absolutely no shedding. Yeah, this wig is a bomb.com. That's what the back looks like. So pretty. This color is so vibrant. It's perfectly colored. You don't see any other colors anywhere else. I did put some powder on the lace just to blend it because it was looking a little light. But overall, you guys, I'm really happy with this unit. I'm gonna go ahead and say this wig is Kaviar Kez approved. You guys would be surprised at how soft this wig is if you pick it up for yourself. So I definitely recommend. If that says anything, take what you will from that. I'm gonna leave all the information to Hurela Hair in the description box because they make really amazing wigs and I'm so impressed. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video or found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up before you go. Turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on any future uploads that I do or giveaways. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.